Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have this very easy, very quick, everyday makeup tutorial. This is literally everything I do on a daily basis. Like, very simple, very quick. Honestly, it probably takes me like 10-15 minutes to do this. So yeah, let's just get right on into it. Okay, so the first thing I obviously do every day with my makeup is my brows. So I'm going to be using the soap brow from Makeup Revolution. I just spray it once with whatever spray you have. I have this one on hand. And then I just grab the spoolie. I don't like the brush that it comes with, so I just use the spoolie that I have here. And then I kind of just brush it through. And you can see instantly it gives you more of a full brow. Now obviously I do have to get my brows done, but I am going this coming Friday. I'm going to go in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I use the shade Black. There are 8 different shades that you can choose from. I just go with black. Even though like my hair is not black anymore, I still like black brows. So since this is an everyday makeup tutorial, I don't really do much to my brows. I just slightly fill them in with a pencil, which honestly I kind of do it regardless now. Like, this is just how I like my brows, even when I'm doing like a full-on makeup look. But when it's like an everyday, I don't really mind if it's like a little messy. I don't even go in and clean my brows afterwards. So I'm just gonna go in with some clear brow gel. So the next thing I don't do anything to my eyes other than eyeliner on my everyday makeup tutorial. So I'm going to go and do my wing. And I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, but I was informed that they discontinued this product. So now I have to look for another product that I like. Hopefully I can. So for lashes, I do any kind of lashes, but for today I'm going to be using the Birdie lashes. These aren't new. These are the Seductive style. I actually really like her lashes and her glue. It's what I use every day. So I'm going to go in with the Birdie liner, and I'm going to use the clear one. I also have the black one, but I usually just use the clear one. And then I'm going to add some mascara. This is the Air Volume Mega Mascara from L'Oreal. For some reason I thought this was Maybelline, but I don't know why I thought this was Maybelline. See how easy it is just to pop on the lash? It's not too, how'd you say? It's not too dramatic, but it's not too simple. So I feel like it's a perfect everyday lash. And I'm going to start off with some skincare products, because this is, honestly, I feel like this is what gives my foundation like such a great base. I'm going to go in with the Desi Skin Claro Que Si Vitamin Serum. Honestly, my favorite serum I've tried to this day, and I think I'm running out, so I'll have to buy another one. It just gives my complexion such a nice dewy finish, and I love it. And I feel like it's like helped my skin, like and the even tones I have on my face. I feel like it's helped a lot. So then I'm going to go in with the Tula Skincare Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel. So this has SPF 30. Obviously, you want to be putting sunscreen on your face as well, not just your body. Even when it's gloomy outside, like the UV rays can still like really mess up your skin. So you want to make sure you're protecting your skin with sunscreen. And honestly, even if I don't go out, I use this anyways, because it just makes my skin feel so good. For primer, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is honestly one of my favorite primers so far right now. Like, I only have a few good primers, and I really like this one. It is very watery, as you can see, but as you massage it into your fingers and then onto your skin, it becomes a bit of a thicker consistency. So it really feels like you're actually putting moisturizer on your face. And honestly, the mix of these 3 products honestly makes me feel like my skin is like super soft and ready for my foundation. So the next thing I'm going to do is use the Desi Skin Do Me Over. This is a prep, set, and refresh face mist. So let me just tie my hair up a little bit backwards. I kind of just let that sit and air dry for a little bit. I usually have my fan, but my fan is out of battery, so I have to charge it. Okay, now that it has synced in, you guys see how glowy my skin is, right? It's amazing. So the next thing I'm going to go in is with my, honestly, my all-time favorite foundation right now is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, the dewy one. I have been obsessed with this foundation and it just really works for me. Weirdly enough, it's worked for me during the summer. And then I just go in with my e.l.f. sponge. This is honestly the best sponge I've used. Like, I don't even buy beauty blenders anymore. I haven't used a beauty blender in years. In probably at least almost 4 years now, I don't use beauty blenders. I honestly just think they're so overpriced. There are some really good drugstore sponges that honestly I think work even better than the beauty blender. So this is a little on the lighter side right now. I do get a little darker, but I make it work with my bronzer and everything else. So then for concealer, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Beige. Honestly, I just put a little bit. I don't do too much. I always start in the middle of my face just because I like to let this, like my under eyes, sit a little longer than the rest of my face. And a little bit of this goes a long way, as you can see. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. And I'm kind of just melting it into the skin. I don't like to bake anymore, so I just melt it right into the skin. So the next thing I'm going to do is go in with my bronzer, and this is the bronzer I have been using. I've literally been using this for years, and honestly, like, I still have a lot of it left. So I just go and I bronze my face with this, and honestly, it kind of helps with the color as well. So for blush, I'm going to be using the Rouge Romance blush palette from Jaclyn Cosmetics. Honestly, my favorite blush right now. And then for highlights, I'm going to go in with my Static and Artist Couture highlight. Y'all can see I literally use this quite often. It's one of my favorite highlights at the moment. Gives me such a nice, beautiful glow. No need to spray it with anything. And then just to kind of like dim it down just a little bit, I kind of just go over it with my sponge that I use for my foundation, just to make it look a little less boom, you know what I mean? And then with whatever excess I have on the brush from the blush, I kind of just give myself a little more color around my nose, just give a little bit more life to my skin. Then for lips, I'm gonna go in with my lip liner from Jaclyn Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Butter Pecan. It's honestly my favorite shade right now. And then for liquid lipstick, I'm going to go in with the BFF Alondra and Elsie collab with BH Cosmetics. And this is in the shade Camel. Y'all already know I love my brown nudes. So to finish it off, I'm going to go in again with the Desi Do Me Over. I use this to prep and to set my makeup. Kind of just helps everything, all the powders really melt into my skin. So I really enjoy it. And it gives me like kind of like a natural glow, which honestly is amazing. The last thing I'm going to go in with is the Jaclyn Cosmetics lip oil, and this is in the shade Crystal Drip. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. This is my everyday makeup tutorial. This is literally everything I wear on like an everyday basis. I don't always wear makeup every day, but when I'm gonna go out and run errands, this is what I do. Yeah, this is all I do, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Sorry my nails are so ugly. I'm getting them done today. So yeah, like I said, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified every single time I upload. I do upload 3 days a week, Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.